amazing to be in the kitchen with you guys today. It is fantastic. I do love you so much, and that's why I want to give you this recipe. I know you guys are going to love this because it's just an amazing, you know, I'm always giving you different kind of recipes, you know it. I give you some of the most beautiful recipe for you guys to make at home. I'm always have to give back something to you because guys, you love me so much and I love you too. And you know what I mean, I give you juice, I give you meat free Monday and all different kind of healthy recipe for you to work with at home to look after yourself. Every night we do normally do a healthy tea recipe, so stay tuned in with this beautiful and an amazing healthy tea recipe we've been doing every other night. We do high blood pressure, you name it. So do not miss this one, and just remember also we are here to fill some of the gap with you guys. So if you missed the videos, remember the video right there, you guys can watch and stay tuned in with Chef Ricardo. Thank you so much for all of that beautiful love, and now this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna deliver on an amazing recipe to you for you to make at home. So stay tuned in and let's do this together. And so powerful, lemon. Okay, now if you have lemon, okay, and you're cleaning something like you're cleaning a rust or your cooker or something, and you squeeze lemon juice on it or lemon, mix it into it, just put lemon on it, trust me, it lift up it and it make it come back brand new. Is that what lemon do to it? Now when you take lemon first thing in the morning on an empty stomach, before you eat anything, before you eat your breakfast, before you drink water, before you do whatever you're doing, after you brush your teeth, you can do it. Always brush your teeth first, okay? And you get your lemon and you make some lemon water and drink that first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. What it's going to do, it's going to cut out all of that garbage inside of you, and it's going to make inside of you clean and clear up your immune system, just like when you're wiping on your surface with lemon clean or whatever, lemon water or whatever. Is the same thing it's doing inside of your body. This thing is very powerful, very effective, very good for you. And not only that, you're getting enough good vitamin C, natural vitamin C you're getting from this, natural detoxing, natural cleansing. So I'm encouraging you to drink up your lemon water on a regular basis. If you miss it today, do it the next day. If you miss it the next day, do it the other day. All right? Yes. There's a lot of people suffer from acid reflux because of lemon. So if you know you have problem when you use the lemon, don't use it. We have another option, apple cider vinegar, which you can replace for lemon. Apple cider vinegar is very powerful, very effective. Use it and it will help you to cut down some of the sugar and detoxing also your kidney. All right, guys, I'm telling you, take my advice, work with it. Do your research, Google it and find out what's the benefit of this simple thing, why it's so effective and why it's so powerful and why we should be using lemon water on a regular basis. Now, some people just take a teaspoon of it, but I'm always mix it in water and drink it first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. And I'm encouraging you to do the same thing also, guys, because this thing can help you, you know what I mean, boost your immune system, strengthen your immune system, and also help to detox you and also promote weight loss. Also, let's dive into it and let's do this, because we're not gonna be here talking for the whole morning. You guys can do this your own self at home by doing yourself a little bit of research on it and get to understand some more. Quick update, we still got the book. It's available for you guys to go over and get yourself a copy of the brand new book, From Poverty to Purpose. All right, we know that there's a lot of people may just wake up worldwide at this time. Some people may just go into bed. If you're even going to bed at night, you can do the same thing on the last minute when you're gonna go to bed. All right, if you want to make a lukewarm water one, if you want to make it a little bit warm, whatever you like it, it's up to you. That's all we can do, is share the good news with you, what you should be doing at home. And not only that, this will help you to reduce your sugar level in your body. Also, let's make this beautiful one as we go into it. So normally This is my cup. A lot of people, if you guys are watching my show, you can see most of the time I use this glass. All right. So what you want to do, take away, let me just simple roll up this one, and we're gonna squeeze that juice. So remove the seeds from it. All right, squeeze out inside of it. You can use lime if you want to use lime. All right. The beautiful thing is that if you want to use half of a lemon, you can use half of a lemon. If you want to use one whole lemon, you can use one whole lemon. It's up to you, okay? So I'm just using the whole lemon, just like this. All right, excellent. So that's the lemon right there. Then what we're gonna do is put some water inside of it. All right. And what I want to do is drink this in the morning on an empty stomach. All right, or before you go to bed at night. Okay. Also, you can drink it during the day if you like to. Also, you can, if you want a little bit of a fresh mint, you can put some fresh mint in it. Also, you can put some cucumber inside of it. Also, very powerful drink to detox you guys. Very powerful drink to help you to, you know what I mean, get that rust out of you. I know, guys, because I use lemon before upon a lot of things. If you use cleaning your flat grill, put lemon juice on it after and tell me what happened. And that's why I know lemon is very powerful. That's why I know that I'm introducing you guys to the lemon water. That you guys can do the same thing at home. This is my flat grill. All right. You just clean it off. You just wipe it off and everything. And then I put lemon juice on it. The last thing. You know what's going to happen? It's going to lift up it. And it's going to be coming back brand new. Okay. So that's why I'm telling you guys, use up the lemon juice, because it's let's quickly give you guys a little bit of a sample what I'm talking about. So that's the guys that understand what I'm talking about. So if you're cleaning your pot at home, this is a pot, all right, and you get lemon juice and squint upon it like this, all right, and leave it on it for a couple of minutes, all right. What it's going to do, it's going to lift up the rust off the whatever you have on it, and it's going to be coming brand new. That's what I'm talking about. Okay, so when you drink the lemon water and it go inside of you with the water in the morning, this is what's going to happen. It's going to be coming brand new. So just as you can see the little bit of the lemon juice. All right, let's show you something what I'm talking about. If you rub a lemon on it like this, okay, look, just look what's going to happen in a second. All right, because it's something I'm telling you. In a second, it's going to be coming brand new. When you drink lemon water, it cut out all of that rubbish and garbage inside of you and clean up your immune system. That's why I hear a lot of people are saying, drinking lemon water for 14 days and you see what happened to your body. Drink lemon water for 7 days and you see what happened to your body. Is the exact same thing I'm talking about. If you're at home and you're cleaning your pot, you're cleaning your whatever, put them in a lemon, put lemon water down into the sink with a lot of lemon juice and put the pot in it, and what happened? It just lift it up. It's the same thing it is doing inside of your body. It is cutting out all of that garbage, all of that thing, and cleaning in all of your intestine inside of your immune system and detoxing your body. But look at this. All right, so you guys can see how it's gonna start to get shine in just a second, and the longer you leave it, it is the better for it also. That's just to show you that's what lemon do to your body. It get all of that rust, all of that junk, all of that thing inside of your immune system. I'm encouraging you, use up the lemon at home and detox your body. Very powerful message for you guys who are listening this morning. Trust me, we don't may not have do this at home. All right, thank you so much for watching. I'm not gonna keep you guys any longer. And what I'm going to do, I'm just going to be drinking this beautiful cup of lemon water, and that's it for this morning. Then we keep you guys update during the day. All right, yeah man, a good vibes. So.
Sunshine, smile on my face. Got the pot on the stove to embrace. Spices dancing in the breeze. Cooking magic with such ease. Jerk chicken sizzling loud. Drawing in the hungry crowd. Iron flavors in the air. Chef Ricardo's secret flair.